I'm not just any ordinary flower pot. I am a vase brought to life through an extraordinary journey. Picture this. I was once just a spare piece of wood, minding my own business until fate introduced me to a skilled and gentle craftsman. As the craftsman picked up his trusty color brush, my transformation commenced. Oh boy, that brush was a ticklish delight. He painted me with vibrant hues, turning me into a sight to behold. It was as if I was getting a full-blown makeover, and I was loving every moment of it. To make me truly special, the craftsman decided to introduce me to someone very important, Epoxy. We were destined to be friends, you see. He carefully crafted a mold to fit me just right. And that's when Epoxy and I had our first encounter. We hit it off immediately, creating a bond that was as strong as the roots of a majestic oak tree. Ah, the wonders of newfound friendship. But alas, my joy was soon mingled with a touch of pain. The craftsman, with his keen eye for perfection, started carving me into the ideal shape. Ouch! It was a bit painful, I must admit. But hey, every work of art has its price, right? As if that was not enough, he began sanding me down, turning my rough surface into a smooth canvas for his artistic vision. I guess you could say it was like a spa day, just a tad more intense. And then came the ultimate challenge, hollowing me out to transform me into a vase. Oh boy, that part was no joke. But fear not, my craftsman was no villain. His intentions were pure. He simply wanted to make me look good, scratch that, spectacular. Patience was the name of the game, and I'm proud to say I braved it all. Finally, the pain began to subside, and I found myself breathing a sigh of relief. The craftsman gave me some well-deserved rest, gently soothing me. I'm forever grateful for those moments of relaxation that brought me closer to my final form. Folks, here I am, the end result of this incredible journey. Feast your eyes upon my marvelous final look. Or not I just sning. If my transformation has left you in awe, like and hit that subscribe button for more captivating stories from the world of art. And don't forget to shower my craftsman with compliments in the comments. He truly deserves all the praise for bringing me to life.